Hey guys, Seb here from Wolfio, and in today's video I'm showing you how you can download any Instagram video straight to your phone or your desktop in just a few minutes. Okay, now for the purposes of this video, we're just going to be using it on desktop, but you can use the links that I'm going to provide down below, so you can use that on mobile or desktop. It's going to be the exact same process. So the first thing that you want to do is actually go ahead and grab the URL of the video that you want to download. So if you're on desktop, you just click on any video and then you just highlight this and you copy it, and then you're done. And if you're on mobile, all you have to do is the exact same thing. Head over to Instagram, click on any video you want to download, click on the three dots, and then you can click on link, and that's going to go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. Once you've copied your link, all you have to do is head over to igram.io, or you can also head over to snapinsta.app. And then what you want to do, whichever website you choose, is just copy your link, then press download, and then the web page is going to load. You're going to see that your video has now loaded, and then you have an option to press on download.mp4, and as you can see, you can now download the video. I'm going to show you the exact same process on Snaptik. You can click whatever format you want. I don't really think it matters if you click on Reels or video or photo, it's still going to find it. Go ahead and click on download. It's now going to load. It's going to have a little pop-up. You can close that, and then you can click on download video once you're ready. And then there you go, you've now downloaded it. So if you press save, you can see we can go ahead and open it up. And now it's opened up, it looks really good. It's got the exact same quality to when I actually uploaded the video. So there you go, that's how to easily download any Instagram video from your phone or your desktop, so then you have the video saved in your camera roll. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.